Are you a locksmith tired of missing out on high profit key fob replacement and programming jobs? If your phone isn't ringing for fob repairs, it's because local drivers can't find you. Let's be honest, static images and boring text posts just don't capture attention anymore. What you actually need to stop scrollers in their tracks are proven, high converting key fob repair locksmith video ads. Video builds immediate trust when a customer is stranded and stressed out. That's exactly what you'll find at SmartLockVideos.com. They provide ready-to-run professional marketing videos tailored specifically to get your locksmith business more leads. Don't know how to upload videos to your YouTube channel? Don't worry. They'll even optimize and upload your branded videos directly to your YouTube channel for you. Stop wasting your ad budget on campaigns that don't convert. Head over to smartlockvideos.com right now, grab your new videos, and let them get your phone ringing.